iya, ganito yan. Kung papatayin ka talaga, papatayin ka. There is no way to know that the next victim will be a journalist. Sa karamihan, prangka-prangka, may nagawa yan. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga papatayin dyan kung wala kang ginawa. Yung mga expose, bad words against us, wala yan. Ako, I've been mayor. Pero karamihan niya may, alam mo na, nabigyan na, tapos especially if you want to take sides. Nabayaran mo na, tapos you play. Yan ang karamihan na mamatay. Or, tumatanggap na sa mga sugarol, tapos barit-bira pa rin. You really want the truth? Yun ang truth. There is still corruption sa inyong side. Marami yan. Hindi lang ang binibigyan yan, hindi lang ang pulis. Binibigyan yan, yung si Pala. Binibigyan yan, kukulikta harap-harapan, sabihin, kumilikta kami. Tapos sa kabila, babaratan mo. Yun. That is the best example of bakit namamatay itong mga journalist. Kaya ang prangka-prangka, yan sa'yo. Karamihan ganon. Kasi kung journalist ka lang, tama, una mong gagalaw sa'yo. Especially if it is true. I mean, you cannot hide the truth, by the way. Pero yung ganon na, ang example natin dito, taga rito ka man, yun si Pala. I do not demean his memory, but that he was a rotten son of a bitch.
But is
He deserved it. Eh, ganon eh.
Is that an excuse to kill him, President?
Huh?
I mean, just because a journalist is corrupt or whatever, is that an
Well, that is the reason. You are asking why? That is the reason. Na sinabi mo hindi dapat, you have to debate with the killer, not me, because of course I know who killed him. Kasi binastos niya yung tao. Alam nila itong alin nyo na saan? Dito yan kanina. Alam ni alin nyo yan kung sino. Alin nyo si Tina Honsay because they were there when umiyak yung tao. Basta yung isa. Tapos may isa pa. Ding. All ABS-CBN. Nandoon yun sila nung umiyak yung tao kasi pinatto.
Sino ang binastos?
Huwag ka na. Huwag ko na salihin niya. Kasi tatanong kayo kung bakit pinapatay yung seem to appear na do not make it appear na itong they're clean. But most of you are clean. But do not ever expect that itong mga journalists are all clean. Kaya namamatay. Sinasabi ko, karamihan yan nabayaran na. They take sides. O sobrahan nila ang atake. Getting into a personal, hindi lahat ng tao nagkakapag. Kami mga politiko okay yan. Praktisado ka na. Pero may mga tao yung go private, tapos siyain mo, yung anak, babuyin mo, papatayin ka talaga. Ganon, hinanay mo eh. Ganon yan. It's not because you're a journalist na ito, you're exempted from assassination.
But sir, it has a
Ang
very...
yung premise mo kasi, journalist siya, bakit patayin siya? It's all wrong.
But sir, it has a bearing to the freedom of expression.
That's not something you'll violate. Yung freedom of expression cannot help you if you have done something wrong to the guy. Huwag pa yung freedom of do not believe so much you swallow it hook, line, and sinker. Alam mo marami dyan na binabayaran pati writers. Alam mo yan. Alam mo kung sino ang mga writers dito nagpoprotekta sa Davao dyan sa Diwalwan. You know who they are. Ikaw alam mo ba bakit hindi mo expose? Just because you are a journalist, you are not exempted from assassination. If you are a son of a bitch, sakitan mo ang tao. Ako, paano ako? Ako praktisado. Ako na sundalo. Sabihin mo, ang asawa mo, kaliwit na gano'n. Patay ka. Subukan mo. Hindi na madala ng free speech yan. The Constitution can no longer help you pag binaboy ng isang tao. Kaya sabi ko, si Pala, nandoon yan sila, marami tago.
Besides, Mr. President, the freedom of the press is not absolute.
Yes.
June Pala was a good friend of mine because
Yes.
during the time he was with DXOW, I was with SDN, DX, Double S Channel 7. I already told him that he has exceeded his being a juror. I'm not trying to defend you, Mr. President, because we are very happy
Totoo
that no
talaga.
less than the son of Davao is the President of the Philippines. So let us not consider the incident of June Pala to be a matter that should disturb the thinking of the President.
Wala yun, because I know. Sabi ko, I could point to you the people who were there that night when the guy cried because, he took the name of the father in vain. Binapo niya, sabi niya, sir, patayin ko sa'yo, kalimutan mo na. Ganun talaga yung tao mo. Kaya ako nga, sabi ko araw-araw.
Sir,